Welcome to spmathsolutions. Real numbers 10th class maths. Exercise 1.3 first question. spmathsolutions ఈ ఛానల్లో రియల్ నెంబర్స్లో చాలా టాపిక్స్ కవర్ అయ్యి ఉన్నాయి. స్మాల్ టాపిక్స్ కూడా షార్ట్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. వాట్ ఆర్ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ కోప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ రిలేటివ్లీ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, ఇట్లా స్మాల్ టాపిక్స్తో సహా ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చాలా వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకసారి చూడండి. మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. టాపిక్లోకి వద్దాము. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, రైట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating. First bit 3/8. First we have to write 3/8 as 3/2 cube, which is in the form of p by q and q is of the form 2 power n. We know that by theorem 1.4 we have x, let x be a rational number which is in the form of p by q and q is of the form 2 power n or 5 power m or both 2 power n into 5 power m. Then x has a terminating decimal expansion. Hence 3/8 has a terminating decimal expansion by theorem 1.4. Why? Because q is in the form of 2 power n. By division method, the decimal form of 3/8 is equal to 0.375, which is terminating, ending, which is not repeating, which is not continuing the division process. That's why 3/8 has a terminating decimal expansion 0.375. Second bit to 229 divided by 400. First we have to check the denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m or not. If it is not, then it has a non-terminating decimal expansion. See here 400, the prime factorization of 400 is equal to 2 power 4 into 5 square. The rational number 229 divided by 400 as 2 power 4 into 5 square. It's clear that by theorem 1.4 we have 229 divided by 400 has a terminating decimal expansion. By theorem 1.4, 229 divided by 400 has a terminating decimal expansion. Let us check by division method. 400 is a divisor and 229 is a dividend. Place a point in quotient, then the dividend becomes 2290. 400 5s are 2000. The remaining is 290, then add 0, 2900. 407s are 2800. Remaining 1000. 402s are 800. Next 405s are 2000. Therefore, the decimal form of 229 divided by 400 is equal to 0.5725. The quotient, the decimal expansion is not repeating. That's why 229 by 400 has a terminating decimal expansion. Third bit is mixed fraction 4 1/5. Convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21 divided by 5, which is in the form of p by q and q is of the form 5 power m, where m is non-negative integer. By theorem 1.4 it's clear that 21 divided by 5, that is 4 1/5 mixed fraction has a terminating decimal expansion. It's clear that the decimal form of 4 1/5 is equal to 4.2. It has a terminating decimal expansion. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ బిట్ 2/11. చూడగానే మనకు తెలిసిపోతుంది డినామినేటర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ 2 power n into 5 power m. దట్స్ వై ద గివెన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్, ద గివెన్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్ హ్యాజ్ ఏ నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ డెసిమల్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ అని మనం చూడగానే చెప్పేయచ్చు. అయితే ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. q ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ 2 power n into 5 power m. q is not of the form 2 power n or 5 power m or 2 power n into 5 power m. Hence by theorem 1.5 we have given rational number is in the form of p by q and q is not of the form. Theorem 1.5 we know that q is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Then the given rational number is a non-terminating decimal. Then the given rational number has a non-terminating decimal expansion. See here 11 is divisor, 2 is dividend. Place a point, 2 becomes 20, 11 1s are 11, remaining 9, 0, 11 8s are 88. The process is repeating. The decimal expansion is repeating, it's not terminating, that's why it's called non-terminating. Therefore 2 by 11 is equal to 0.1818. Next fifth bit, 8 by 125. See here 125 we can write as 5 cube, which is in the form of 5 power m. It's clear that by theorem 1.4, 8 by 125 has a terminating decimal expansion. Division method, it's clear that we have to write 8 by 125 is equal to 0.064. Terminating decimal expansion. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు. SP Maths Solutions. Thank you.